All right, little ones, it's bedtime now. No more jumping. Now it's time to sleep. My little ones. Enough! It's bedtime now. Okay, my little troublemakers, let's sleep now. Good night, my little angels.